Are your knees powerful enough to make your opponents fear you? If not, don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to throw fight-ending knees that will make your knees unstoppable. You don't even need a training partner, just you, the bag, and consistent practice. Let's get started. Before we get to the real sauce, we gotta give them the basic ingredients, right? How do I do the basic fundamental Muay Thai knee? Very simple. You're gonna have that proverbial center line that we always talk about, right? This time we use the rope, but you can use anything, a hand wrap, shoestring, a piece of tape, I don't care, a noodle, something just to make the proverbial center line, meaning that you have an invisible line down the middle. And from there, all you do is step out, not forward, not in, but step out, showing the ankle towards the bag. Are you ready, Tito?
Yes.
Knee down, bang. Middle of the line, stepping out, don't forget the feet, and stab and back. Very good. So that's the day number one Muay Thai knee on the rear side. But what about that left side? It's the same principles, but only thing you're gonna do is add the switch. The switch is so important because a lot of times I notice that beginners, when they slide, the front foot is straight. Then they open up, actually slowing the knee down. But pay attention to the footwork that Tito's gonna show you, and as soon as he slides, you're gonna notice that the hip is already open, allowing him to go straight through the target, quick and efficiently. Touch for distance, knee, bang, bang, you, bang, bang, bang. That was the basic day number one, rear knee and switch knee. A few key points that I don't want you to miss. When you're kneeing, the base leg is straight. You don't want to have a bend in it. You're losing power. We're trying to stab through our opponents. So when you knee, you're not going up. You're going forward. It's a spear. Boom. Point your toes, right? When you're kneeing, I don't want the foot straight. I want it nice and sharp. Boom. Point. Stab forward with the hands. You don't want to knee and then they check hook you. Boom. So therefore, I'm going to put the hand up. Also, you don't want to step forward. You're on one leg and you get jabbed. That can put you down. So therefore, I use a shifter. So cell phone, shift, boom, and then back down. Those are key principles. Going on your toes or staying flat foot, completely up to you. I've been at camps where they said knee flat. I've been at camps where they say knee on toes. So to me, that's a personal choice. Also depending on the height of your opponent. If you're much taller than your opponent, there's no need to go on your toes. If your opponent is taller than you don't want to get him in his private section, of course, go on your toes. So just use your common sense. Next up, we're going to give you some setups to obliterate your opponent with these Muay Thai knees. Here we go. The first Muay Thai knee that we're going to show you that's going to put you above your competition is the step-through knee. With the step-through knee, it's more of a setup knee. You're going to set your opponent up with a teep, one or two teeps. That's going to warm them up. That's going to prime them up for the Muay Thai knee, right? So you're going to teep, bop, just like we worked in our last video, right? Perfect teep, base leg straight, lifting the knee out the bucket, teep, and then from there, you lift knee, stab forward, boom. We're gonna practice on the bag, but here's the basic gist of it. Teep, relax, fake teep, stab forward knee. Here we go. Show them how to do it, Tito. Teep, bang, good. Let the bag swing, come back, teep again, step, knee, stabbing forward. Teep, and then up high, very good. Not only can you do it with the rear knee, it's also just as effective with the front knee. Let's show them, Tito. Bang! Change a little bit. That's very nice. Next up on the menu, this is the walk-through knee. With this one, it's going to require a lot more timing with the bag. The bag's going to be swinging forward and back, and what you're going to have to do is adjust. The bag swings forward, I step back. The bag swings back, you step forward. From there, you're going to develop timing. And when the bag is about to meet, you have to step forward and meet him right in the middle. Don't forget, you're going to have to use the same principles, right? You're going to have the cell phone, you're going to have the shifter. Sometimes you grab both hands. But the key is to meet the bag right in the middle, because just like in a real fight, when you're sparring or you're fighting, if you meet them right in the middle with that sharp knee, ooh, publicity, they die short. Here we go. This one's a little bit more advanced, but I know you can do it. You're going to set it up again with those teeps. When the bag is swinging forth and back, you have to time it just right and meet the bag in the middle. Make sure that you're not stuffing the knee to where it's too close. Make sure that the knee is not too far to where you fall over. No. This drill is going to develop perfect timing for you. So as soon as it comes forward, bam, right there. Sometimes step forward with the left, sometimes step forward with the right. It all depends on the swinging of the bag. That's going to make you a monster. Are you ready to show him, Tito?
Yes.
My man, Red. What you got, Two-Pick? Stepping forward, stepping back. Knee, very good. Knee, good. Bang, very good. So we're giving you the basic fundamentals of how to make those knees extremely powerful. Now, we're gonna give you some templates of combos that you can use when you're practicing on the bag to apply these knees. Here we go. First combo that you're gonna use as a template only, right hand to long knee. Here we go. Right hand, long knee, good. Jab backwards. Pop, bam, very good. Pop, hey, pop, pop, good. So remember, that's the template, but you know this channel likes to make you think of your own recipe. So what can you think of to add to that, Tito, to make it your own? The next combination that we're gonna give you, fake teep touch, switch knee. Here we go. Very good. Now I want you to add in all the knees that we just went over, but I want you to make it more freestyle, all right? So remember, when you're doing these knees, you do the same thing. Get into your zone and say to myself, I'm gonna figure out how many ways I can set up each knee that I just learned from Coach Charles and Tito. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get it. Only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.